experiencing Helldivers 2 crashing and a frustrating black screen. This guide offers immediate solutions to fix those dynamic resolution scaling issues that are ruining your gameplay. First, dive into Helldivers 2's in-game graphics settings. Locate Dynamic Resolution Scaling and set it to OF or a fixed. This often stops the game from trying to adjust on the fly, a common trigger for instability. Apply those changes, restart your game, and see if stability improves. If that first adjustment doesn't clear the error, the issue frequently stems from outdated display drivers, which brings us to method 2. Head to your GPU manufacturer's website, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and download the absolute latest drivers for your specific card. A clean installation removes any corrupted older files, ensuring your hardware communicates smoothly with the game. Reboot your PC after installation. Should the crashes persist, the integrity of your game files might be compromised, leading us to method 3. Open Steam, right-click Helldivers 2, go to Properties, then Local Files, and verify integrity of game files. This scans for and replaces any damaged files. Finally, if you're still facing problems, our fourth method involves a compatibility workaround. Right-click the Helldivers 2 shortcut, select Properties, and under the Compatibility tab, disable full-screen optimizations and set it to run as administrator. This grants the game necessary system permissions, often preventing conflicts. Implement these steps to get back to liberating planets without interruption.